Hey guys, we're in Esplanade at Starling. We're in Punta Gorda, Florida. This is a Taylor Morrison community. This property is the Lazio. We've got over 2,200 square feet, 3 beds, 3 baths, 2-stall garage. Let's go inside. Oh. Okay, we've got some higher ceilings in here with the tray. They've chose to do some crown wallpaper this. Right off to the side here, we have guest bath. Love it. We've got the guest bedroom. This is a queen size bed with some end tables in the dresser, obviously. I mean, good size, perfect for your guests, okay? Right over here, this is like a den area. You could put doors on here, sliders, pocket doors, or leave it open. On this side here, we have, I got to bring you in here, guys. It's huge. It's a laundry room, but it's not like everybody's laundry room. You've got the cabinet space, you've got counters, you've got a secretary, which I love. You've got access to your garage from here. I mean, this is a spacious laundry room. All right. Guest bedroom with the ensuite, which is fantastic for your guests with the glass enclosure in that shower. Yeah, take a look at that. Like those tile floors on the bottom. Okay. Now here, it's like opens up party and back, right? We've got large dining room space, good size for our living room. Kitchen is more than sufficient. Absolutely love that this is a gas community. Gas is really hard to do because of the sea level and where are they going to bury those tanks and so forth, but or lines, gas lines. But anyways, and here's our corner pantry. You know I love those. Oh, there's a light for you. Love it. Okay, we've got these gorgeous countertops. Oh, with Taylor Morrison, you get to select your own finishes. So that's kind of fun. I mean, they did that gorgeous crown up there. This is all like a soft close kind of a thing. This deep farmer sink. Yeah, the double ovens. You've got access here to your outdoor kitchen. Yeah, those are high impact glass, so you're ready for any hurricanes and storms. We are not in a flood zone. This whole community is not is flood friendly. We're not having floods here. Okay, look at this owner suite. Oh my gosh, you've got a seating space here, king size bed, huge chests of drawers, very wide. Those are each 3 feet long and or wide, I'm telling you. All right, we've got, oh my goodness, gorgeous. So we've got this fantastic shower, double sink or double vanity. All right, that's our utilities. Look at this closet. Holy moly. Humongous. Humongous. All right, so you can see why this is one of their most popular floor plans, obviously. Let's go out and back because that's a whole moment. Oh, if I can. Here we go. Oh, these suckers are heavy, man. Oh, that is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay. Yeah, so your pools, they have like the pool selection. You can do an extended lanai. You can just do the normal lanai that the home would come with. You can do this pool package or the other pool package that has a spa. So this one, wow. Without the spa and without the bubbler, you're definitely saving a little bit of money, and you're going to have all of those things within the community too once the amenities get up and going, and they're expecting those to be in by like the fall, September-ish of 2027. All right, so for more information on this home or others like it in this community, you want to go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, follow me on all the social medias. Look, it's your home, it's your deal. Let's make it happen.